Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you're doing well, keeping yourself happy, busy, and healthy. You know, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I was thinking, I love guava and cream cheese. Listen to this. Guava and sweet cream cheese frosted cake donuts. Sounds amazing. Join me in the kitchen and let's get started. The first thing I'm doing is preheating my oven at 350 degrees. Here I have a donut pan and I am greasing it. I only have one donut pan. This recipe makes 12 donuts. So if you have 2 donut pans, that's awesome. I'm going to set this to the side. In a large mixing bowl, I am going to sift 2 cups of flour. This is all-purpose flour. I have here 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. And I am going to add that to the sifter. Now I'm going to set this to the side. I am going to place an egg. One egg. I am going to beat it before I add anything else to it. To this I am going to add 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons melted butter. This is unsalted. And 1/4 cup guava preserves. This is the one that I am using. Okay, now I'm going to mix this. Now that I have the wet ingredients all mixed, I'm going to get the flour mixture and pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And now I'm going to mix it. Now I'm going to add 3/4 cup guava nectar, and I'll show you which one I'm using. I'm going to mix this by hand. It smells so good. Now, if batter is too thick, you may add a little more guava nectar. Just going to add, that was a little more than a teaspoon. This looks very good. Now it's time to fill a bag with this awesome guava cake donut batter. So I have here a plastic bag inside a cup. If you have a piping bag, excellent. I'm going to add this into the bag. Now I am going to fill the donut pan 3/4 full. I cut the end of the plastic bag. The donut pan is ready, and I am going to bake this for 15 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Okay, they baked exactly for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Now I am going to let the donuts sit in pan for 2 minutes before I turn them onto the cooling rack. Let's begin making the frosting. Here I have 4 ounces of cream cheese and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. They are both at room temperature. And to this, I am going to add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Combine them before I add anything else to it. Now that the cream cheese and butter and vanilla are well combined, I am going to add 1 cup confectioner's sugar. Going to add a little bit, mix, and then continue adding. Combine well so there's no lumps in the frosting. The frosting is complete. I didn't add any milk to it. What you saw was the cream cheese, butter, and vanilla extract, and then the confectioner sugar. Now I want to frost the donuts and decorate them. In a small, tiny bowl, I'm adding a little of Guava preserves, the same one I used for the donuts. I also have Valentine sprinkles. And I also have heart marshmallows. And I will be using these to decorate the donuts. Now I'm going to use a little bit of the preserves and just put it here on the side. And I'm going to take a marshmallow, put it right there, and then get some sprinkles. And put sprinkles on them. Okay, time to try this delicious guava and sweet cream cheese frosted cake donut. A little messy, but it is delicious. That frosting is so good. The guava, it's amazing. Guys, you're gonna love this cake donut. I hope you give this a try. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Remember, stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.